how to enable or disable show battery percentage on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on battery. So you will see battery is here, so click on battery. Now here, so scroll down and you will see show battery percentage is here. So if you want to disable show battery percentage, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see show battery percentage is disabled. So if you want to enable show battery percentage, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see show battery percentage is enabled. So you will enable or disable show battery percentage from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable show battery percentage on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.